So my background actually started as a technician. I was a technician for a few years. I had an opportunity to write service. I wrote service for a few years, and then I was asked to manage the store that I was working with. This was in the mid-90s, and the factory marketing systems were relatively weak. And so I had to seek out outside companies to do my service marketing. And with that, I got to experiment a lot with different offers and how you can get people in the drive. And I saw some success in that way. Skipping forward then, I hired TVI to do the service marketing for my service department roughly 18 years ago, and saw a really marked improvement or increase with the responses. The responses I was getting from what I would do for marketing with their targeted data, I was really able to see much more returns from my efforts. My mission is to help the stores achieve their goals. Whatever their goals might be, it could be retention, it could be additional sales, RO count, whatever that is, my mission is to help them achieve their goals. To me, the most challenging part is if TVI helps bring a guest to their service drive and their guest doesn't receive the type of service that would have them come back for future visits. We don't like to see just a one and done. We like to see somebody come in and become a lifetime guest there. So that's probably one of the bigger challenges is if the store, whether it's staffing or whichever else, has challenges. When a store sees success, I feel that same success, and if something's not quite, I take that very personal that we're not achieving what they'd like to achieve. When the service department reaches their goals or are striding towards their goals, when whatever it might be, again, it could be a retention program or gross or RO sales, but when you see month by month the gradual increases towards their goals. So probably one of the bigger challenges is staffing, whether it's technician or advisor or even down to a level of porters, something along those lines. And so that's probably one of the most common thing I see among all the dealerships. I was in the role for about 25 years, and so I've had a lot of experience in recruiting and trying to find unique ways to get teammates to the store. And so I'll share my personal experience, some of the successes I've had, or what I've heard from other stores. I'm able to hear best practices on hiring, and so I do share that with everybody I work with. So something TVI can do is if there's an opening or an ongoing opening for a store, whether it's entry-level technicians or service advisors or something along those lines, TVI during our communications to our guests can put that out there, where if you're looking for entry-level technicians, we can have that in the email or in the direct mail. And if someone's servicing their car, if they trust the store to service, chances are they're enjoying that experience, and they want the person they know to work there if there's an opening. What I'm looking forward to most while attending NADA 2024 is getting to meet a lot of other stores out there to see who's interested in growing their service departments or what their challenges might be, to kind of broaden my knowledge on what's out there. What I'm hoping to accomplish while attending NADA 2024 is building relationships with potential clients that are interested in growing their service business. I hope dealerships would trust me to help them with their service needs. I believe they would feel my passion, my knowledge, and to help them achieve their goals. It's something that's in my core, it's in my DNA, and it's something I practice every single day. Dealerships should trust TVI Market Pro 3 due to their data cleansing. The information they take from your DMS and cleanse it to make sure we're contacting the correct person at the correct interval with the correct message to get them in the store is second to none. I've personally had success with them when I was in the service director role. I believed in it so much, I changed careers to be part of this.